Yeah, coming into Lone Pine, if you want to get up to the Alabama Hills for your the boondocking camping. This is coming in from the south on 395. We're hanging left right here at the light. It's Whitney Portal Road. This is the road, Whitney Portal Road, going up to the Alabama Hills. Here it is, Movie Road. Yeah, we talked about this in the past and went to the movie museum nearby, but nice placard showing, commemorating all the movies and commercials and TV shows that have been shot up in here. Hundreds, literally hundreds. That's where we're at, in the Alabama Hills, right in the middle of it all. This is Movie Road going right through the center here. So this being our third time to the Alabama Hills, we decided to try to find some of these actual locations where a bunch of these films have been shot over the years. Through a number of different sources, we were able to track down some of the actual coordinates and decided to cruise around, check things out, and see if we could find out exactly where these things were shot. Take a little walk, explore back here a bunch, over towards the Lone Ranger Canyon.
Did a bunch of stuff.
And an original 1938 Lone Ranger, actually. It was a whole serial that they made for the, that was long before the TV show one back in the 50s. So it was like way back in the...
This is another kind of famous spot, this canyon. It's a double, it's very cool because you can see how they could use it as a good ambush for a Western.
Yeah, there was a John Wayne movie and this was used in a whole sequence. There was guys on this little middle thing, guys up there shooting at each other, falling down into the rocks in between here.
Just amazing scenery. Look at this, just ripe for everything.
And again, any one of these spots, you know, there were 20 other films shot all through here. You know, I mean,
hundreds
since silent films in the 20s,
right.
they were shooting movies out here, and so virtually any rock you go behind, there could be footage of a
Eric's a little
film.
obsessed with where Cary Grant might have peed.
Well, yeah.
And I'm a little obsessed about where Douglas Fairbanks might have passed out. That's
different priorities, you know.
Hopefully he didn't hit his head, you know.
Yeah.
We are at the site of Gunga Din.
There's our temple site, exactly. You can see where that was, that opening there was where they actually had it built. The Gunga Din Temple of the Little Valley. So no, we're just in the process of doing this, and it's just kind of crazy to think that literally someone else back in 1939 had literally set up a big Hollywood camera right on this very spot right here to film and to take stills of the temple that they built, a whole huge temple they built right down there just for that one movie. looks like about the spot. If you had a horse, you'd be, again, this was the shot right here in Gladiator.
Trying to get the light.
Trying to get the light. It was right after sunset. So,
I think we did pretty good. What do you think?
I think we got it.
Ridley Scott, Russell Crowe, they were all right here.
Right here. This is the spot where the Jericho bomb went off and everything. I shot right on this exact spot right here.
I think pretty much right, exactly right here.
I think we got it nailed pretty good.
All right. Oh, yeah.
God, this might. I'm trying to think if there's that Django Unchained sequence when they were sitting around the campfire and talking and everything.
Oh, we'll have to look and see again because we can watch that.
Real similar to this.
Yeah. There's a truck with a camera behind it. Doing a little shot.
Well, they're doing a new red truck, bigger red truck now. Looks like a Toyota commercials. Oh, getting the other side now. Nice. So yeah, obviously they don't shoot at an angle that would have our rig in the shot, so I don't mind. They don't have any issue with us standing here filming while they're doing it. But oh, there comes another one. See, every time somebody comes pulling out, it throws them off. They gotta like either hold them up until they go by, or they let them go quick and get them out of the way first. This guy's throwing a wrench in the plans again. See, again, the black one's meant to come down to lead the way and bring them down. This guy just made a unscheduled stop. Now the cop's gonna probably come and tell him, "Hurry up, get out of the way, dummy." There he goes. Okay, yeah, never mind. So Now they're shooting, looks like a new little white SUV next. They went down one way and now they've been interrupted by a ton of vehicles coming and going, so looks like they're finally going to get it set up again here. Just a gorgeous morning here in the Alabama Hills, shooting a Toyota commercial and right in front of us. Here they come. I wish I could zoom more. See how the boom is way out over the rocks there. They are hauling ass too, man. Forerunner. Yeehaw! Well, I hope you guys enjoyed our little tour of the Alabama Hills and some of the famous movie locations that were shot here. Everything was going along great, and thought I'd get this really great little cinematic ending to our video, and everything was going really well, getting the perfect shot with the mountains behind it, and suddenly I forgot. Well, I fucked up good. Crashed the drone right into these rocks. Battery's still got plenty of life. Snapped off a couple of the things and got one of the, looks like only one of them, thankfully, hopefully. Looks like the battery's hopefully okay. It looks like the camera's alright, but one of the corners. Son of a bitch.